This evening, the story of a police officer who became paralyzed during a motor vehicle crash while on duty. Corporal Devon Hickey is desperately in need of the public's help. Shamela Pullen reports.
Life will never be the same for Corporal Devon Hickey, who has been attached to the Westmoreland Police Division. On December 20, 2016, Corporal Hickey was injured in a motor vehicle collision after responding to a crash moments earlier. It's reported that Corporal Hickey was escorting one of the crash victims to the police station when his vehicle collided in another motor car. He's been paralyzed since. He served the police force for 21 years, but now his future is in limbo.
I went to the extent, to serve, and this has happened, and I don't think much has been done. I think more could be done, because I'm now in this situation with a lot of expense, and now I am not even sure as how secure my job is at this moment. And what will happen, it's not as if I can go there and work anymore.
The cop still receives a salary from the JCF. However, uncertainty lingers around how long this will continue. He was told that come March 2023, this will stop. To make matters worse, Corporal Hickey is questioning the investigation into the crash.
Up to this moment, the investigating officer haven't checked to find out my side of the story or find out the nature of my injury and so forth. Nothing. How comes? I even have the accident report to prove. Even some vital information that should have been in the report. It is not there. And the reason why it's not there because he didn't come to me and ask.
Corporal Hickey says life has been a constant challenge and the cost of living is becoming more than unbearable.
Now I have to be buying things, supplies, pampers, etc. Things that normally it wouldn't be required for me to buy. And the bills are still there. I'm still a father of 2 kids. Still have my responsibility. Yes. And now I have to pay a caregiver because I have to have somebody around me 24/7. Because I'm not able to help myself.
He also needs a roof over his head because where he's staying, he may have to leave soon.
No, I'm a bit, scared as it relates whether I will be getting a loan, to build based on, my present situation. I've purchased a piece of land through NHT. But didn't actually go about and do any form of building because there were some challenges.
If you would like to help Corporal Hickey, you can reach him at 876-909-3087. That's 876-909-3087. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.